Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use a breast pump the right way to make pumping comfortable, safe, and efficient. Before using your pump, always wash your hands and make sure all parts are clean and dry. Assemble the flange, bottle, tubing, and motor according to your pump model. Sit comfortably on a chair or sofa where you can relax without any tension. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Make sure the pump, bottles, and other parts are placed nearby on a table within easy reach. Take a deep breath, sit upright, and get ready to start your session. Feeling calm and relaxed helps your milk flow naturally and makes pumping more comfortable. Hold the flange gently and place it over your breast so that the nipple sits right in the center of the tunnel. The fit should feel snug but never painful or tight. If the flange is pressing too hard or the nipple rubs the sides, adjust it until it feels right. The nipple should move freely when suction begins. A proper fit improves comfort and helps you express more milk efficiently. Turn on your breast pump and start with gentle suction. Most pumps have a massage or letdown mode that helps trigger milk flow. Give your body a moment to respond. When you notice milk starting to flow, slowly increase the suction to a comfortable level. Never go too high or cause pain. Stay relaxed, breathe normally, and let the pump do the work as milk collects in the bottle. Keep pumping steadily for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk flow slows down naturally. Watch the milk filling the bottle slowly. When you're done, carefully remove the flange and detach the bottle. Pour the milk into a clean storage bottle or bag. Label it with the date and time before storing it in the refrigerator or freezer. Keeping your milk organized helps ensure freshness for your baby. After finishing, take a few minutes to clean your pump properly. Separate all parts that touched milk, such as the flange, valves, and bottles. Wash everything with warm, soapy water, rinse well, and let the parts air dry on a clean towel or drying rack. Keeping the pump clean prevents germs and helps it last longer.